Hi, this is Scott, Machine Gun Dad. Welcome back to my channel. Recently I posted a proof of concept video of shooting the BREN gun in 8mm Bulgarian rimmed ZB-39 barrel, ZB-39 magazines. And if you watched the video, Nick and I both talked about the fact that we couldn't find the sweet spot. The magazines wouldn't lock in, they were moving around. So Scott put his brain to working, poured a little caffeine in there and got it working. And this is what I came up with. This is a 303 magazine. This is a ZB-39 magazine. And it can just zoom in right above my fingers. Right here. Can you see that?
Yep.
The BREN magazine is flush. The ZB-39 magazine is recessed in the middle. What is happening is the BREN magazine catch is thinner than that. So the magazine catch was going into the recess and allowing the magazine to move forward. So what did Scott come up with? Right here again. You'll see JB weld. I filled the recesses in. So what that does is once you hook it on the front latch, did you hear that click? It's locked in. So the magazine's in the right position, locked in. So I test fired it yesterday, and this magazine with this JB weld in it held up. This magazine, for some reason, the JB weld came out of it. So I refixed it, and we went out today to shoot it. Now I will show you the shooting in a second. I think we even captured some slow motion. The problem we had was it came out again. I'm using a JB weld that only has the strength of 3,000. They have stuff that goes up to 5,000. I'm going to get the better stuff, and if you'll notice how far this is, I tried to do it with a shorter one. I think the tensile, the gripping power of the JB weld is not strong enough in a small amount. That magazine catch is wedging itself underneath and knocking it down, because then what happens is on my shooting the magazine starts tilting forward and I don't get any rounds. The other problem we had was the Bulgarian ammo we have is not the best. If you watch Nick's mag dump, it is completely irregular. Those are hang fires, boys and girls. They all went off, but they were definitely hang firing. So now that I'm done talking, I will insert all the shooting. Of course, on Rumble you only see the semi-automatic. On Rumble you'll see everything. On YouTube you only see the semi-automatic. And we won't be back to talk about it, because I think you've heard Nick and me talk about what it's like to shoot a BREN gun. So we don't need to rub it in your face that we get to shoot cool shit. Stick around for the shooting part. Might be empty.